These are the 5 best side hustles with no money to start. Number 1, user testing. Big digital companies are always looking for people to test out their apps, websites, or other digital products. And user testing allows you to get paid as a tester. Payment ranges from a few dollars to over $100 for each test, depending on how long they take. For 4 hours, you can be making from $200 to $400. Number 2, couch flipping. Couch flipping is simply getting old couches and reselling them for a lot more. Just go on OfferUp or Facebook Market and search for free couch, and you will get a list of free couches. Just pick them up, clean them up, and remarket them on the same sites. The couches go from $200 to $600 per couch, and you can easily make $8,000 a month from this. Number 3 is real estate. A lot of people think you need tons of money to start real estate, but the truth is you can start with no money. If you want to be a fixer and flipper, you can use hard money or private money, or you can be a real estate photographer, real estate bird dog, or a real estate wholesaler. All are no money needed. Number 4, start a print-on-demand shop. You can use these sites and they will hold all your inventory, meaning you don't need to own the product. You would just put your logo or design on there and create a store in one of these. You're going to link them together and put one of these as your stores. Once you connect them, one of these sites will ship it to your customer, all from you just clicking a few buttons. And for number 5, check in the comments down below.